Hello my dear children. Today we are going to discuss the conversion from one type to another. So far we discussed the literals. What are the literals we discussed? String literal, numeric literal and Boolean literal. Along with we had discussed complex numbers. This module is about how to convert one literal type to another one, or how to convert the type of data into another. Python allows converting value of one data type to another data type. If it is done by the programmer, then it will be known as the type conversion or typecasting. If it is done by the interpreter or the language translator, then it is known as type promotion or implicit conversion. Here I had given some examples for implicit type conversion. My dear children, look at the example given. X is equal to 10. What is the type of X? That is int. Y equal to 12.5. What is the type of Y? That is float. If you are assigning X equals Y, the Y value, that is 12.5, is assigned to X. The assignment happens from the right side to the left side. That is RHS to the LHS. Y to X. But now the check happens for the type of X. We will get float. What happens internally here is the interpreter automatically converts the type of X, that is int, to the type of Y, that is float. Now the X type become float. It is automatically done by the interpreter. This sort of type conversion is known as implicit type conversion. Let me discuss the next one, the explicit type conversion. As I said earlier, explicit type conversion is done by the programmer. That is purposefully changing the type of data from one type to another type. Look at the example given. A equal to 50.25. If we want to convert the type of A, actually what is the type of A? That is nothing but float. If we want to convert into int, the compiler or the Python interpreter having a default library function called indof. For the conversion of float, that is decimal part values, it is having float of function. If we want to convert the string, any value into string, we need to use str of function. For bool, B-O-O-L, that is for Boolean values. My dear children, look at the example given. A equal to 50.25. Actually, what is the type of A? It is nothing but float. If you want to convert it into int, what we need to give? B equal to int of A. What happens is, on the second line, the compiler or the interpreter translate or convert the type of float into integer type. Why? Because the programmer given int of A. Now the type of B become int only. What is the speciality of integers? It doesn't have any decimal part. So while we are trying to print B, we will get only the integer part of the given number. That is nothing but 50. The decimal part, that is 0.25, will be ignored by the interpreter itself. Coming to the next example. The value of A is 25 and we are trying to convert into float. While we are printing Y, what happens? We will get the float value as 25.0. Normally, we can write integers as float by putting 0.0. That is what happens in the second example. My dear children, this is an example program or the statement for knowing explicit type conversion. So what is implicit type conversion? It is done by the compiler itself. Actually, type promotion only happens. Whereas explicit type conversion is done by the programmers. In some circumstances, we need to convert the type of data into some other form, so that the Python allows the functions like int of, float, string, or the next one, bool. My dear children, we can discuss further in detail in the upcoming modules. Thank you.